Yeah, hi students, welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to solve the puzzle number 39. So as you can see, what is the next number in this particular series? So I'll give you 25 seconds to solve this one. Let us start the timer. Yes, I am starting the timer now. You can try with yourself to solve this answer. Try to find out the answer. You have 25 seconds to solve. Closely observe the series, you will get the logic. Yeah, you can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, time's up. Now let us see the solution for this particular puzzle. Okay, so you can clearly see here the difference between this 2 and 6 is 4, right? The difference between 2 and 6 is 4, and similarly the difference between 6 and 12 is 6. That means for this 4 they are adding 2, so they are getting 6 here. Similarly, the difference between 12 and 20 is 8. So again they are adding plus 2 to this 6, they are getting 8. Similarly, the difference between 20 and 30 is 10. So that means plus 2 they are doing to this 8, so they are getting the 10. Similarly, the next number should be plus 2. If I do, 12 will be coming. So that means the difference between next number and this 30 will be 12. So I need to add 12 to the 30. So then it is 30 plus 12, it will be 42. The correct answer will be 42. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends to challenge them, and hype this video. There is a new feature in the YouTube to hype this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily videos. I'll be uploading daily one video on the mathematical puzzles. So keep watching. Thanks for watching.